Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back into the upload and welcome back into this YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be showing you how you can be managing extensions in your Google Chrome browser. So you have the Google Chrome browser which is set up in your computer, and you have installed various extensions that you can be wanting to use in the given time, and you want to manage them. Sometimes you want to remove them. Another time you want to just adjust their functions. You want to turn them off. You want to turn them on depending on which one you want to be using. Also, you want even to apply some extensions to your browser, depending on also what features you are wanting to use that time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be managing those extensions that you have in your Chrome browser so that you can be able to use them for various reasons. So what you need to do, if you not subscribe to Dia Pro, you need to subscribe today so you will be getting an updates for their video which is uploaded here. You need also to like this video and share this video to the friends of you so that this video can be helpful to everyone who want to learn from it. And also what you need to do also to do this, you need to come here. As you see, I have this extension by option here in my computer. So for example, let me try to come here to manage extensions. If I click here and I click manage extensions, you can see various options for managing extensions are coming. So for example, let me turn them all off. As you can see, those are the extensions that I have, and as you can see, this button, this option which of extension also has been gone, which means it is because there is no extension which is enabled in my computer. So what I need to do in order to have this appearing here on the light or the top right of my browser, I need to come here and come to settings. Now after coming to settings, I need to come here, scroll to extensions. You can see if I scroll down, I click it on extensions. After clicking the extensions, I can turn now some extension, for example, this one. If I turn this one on, it is going to be now also appearing here again. And you can see it started working because I turned this or enable this on my computer, on my browser. I click on this. If I enable this, also it is going to be appearing there. I click on this extension. I can also turn this one on, depending on which one I want. I can also enable this tab manager, also depends on which one I want. After having this now appearing there, what I need to do to go next is to can come here and click on this extension. You can see I can manage this browser. If I click on it, you can see it is coming to appear here. And if I click on it again, it is also going to be disappearing. Let me now also go back. If I click on this low, you can see it is now appearing here with popping up. If I click on it again, it is going to be now being dismissed. As you can see, I can now click here. I can see if I click on the three dots menu which are on the sidebar of it. It's really so I can click on the low and it's going to be opening the some dashboard where I got this extension from, which is also from Web Store. And I don't need this from Web Store because it is where I got it from, and I don't want to use these features. But also what I need to do is to show how we can manage it. You can see where you can remove this extension if you click on it, or you can notice even see various ways that you can even also remove this. For example, you want to remove this extension, click on it. Also, if I click on manage extension, I come here. Now, if I come here, I am going to be coming to this. I can choose to remove this extension if I want to remove it from my computer or not. For example, let me remove this one. They show me the pop-up that I want to remove this extension, but I don't want to remove this. I cancel it. For example, so I want to remove this one. I can click now and remove this extension. If I click to remove this extension, it is going to take me to the page that I am going to confirm that I can want to install this extension. So I can cancel this one because I don't want also to remove it because I want to it to stay. But also if any cancel, it is going to be dismissed because the process has already ended. You cannot see it here in your computer. And this orange monkey also, you can enable it because it is going to be helping you to download anything in your browser if you have. But if you don't have, so you don't need to install it. But this any extension is going to be having various information that is represented in your computer in your browser. What I need to do just here come here now, and also, for example, this is a VPN extension that I want to be creating. If I click on this VPN, you can see it is going to appear at the top, and also it is going to be now working. If I click on it, I can turn this on, and this, even if I can now also disable or enable this ad blocker that is here, and I can even be also able to find any else information that I want. So depending on what information you want, you can also be doing anything in that you want. So now let me go back and see if I come here to click this keyword research. If I click on this keyword research now, you can see it is now working here. And if I search some information, for example, like a business development, you can see now it is going to be appearing on my browser. So now let me see if I type business development. Because this extension is enabled in my browser, it is going to be appearing here while analyzing various websites, also providing statistics about how the websites are performing. You need also to really load. Once it has loaded, you can see it provides various tracking information that say or that show how the given website is performing. So as you can see now, I can even be able to manage this one. I can pause or to all the sites. I can pause the given extension from the given site. I can, for example, also click on this. This can lead to change the data. I can click on this option. I can also choose where I want to apply this. This is because now this extension is going to be reading the Google because it is the already site which is open. For example, if I click on another site, for example, this one, I click encyclopedia, which is Investopedia. What I do is to come here just, if I again also choose here what it reads, you can see this can lead the sites on Investopedia. You can see it show now the site that you want to be showing. You can choose to customize to be leading one site or to be leading various sites depending on the information you want to be reading. So now this is how you can be now customizing the extensions or how you can be managing the extension on your computer. And what you can do is also to make sure that you have the perfect extension that you want to be using your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Like also the upload. So subscribe to this channel the upload, and if you have any question or suggestion, leave it in a comment section. Don't hesitate also to subscribe, also even to share this video to your friends so they can learn from you that you share there with them, also the knowledge and skill that they can learn acquire from you. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao ciao.